Every child deserves enough. Enough opportunity to reach their God-given potential. Change happens when we choose to act. We can change lives. Mirire, neza. Nabasuje. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm not much of a speaker. I'm just a musician.
Sing.
Okay. Thank you. Distinguished guests, partners, friends of World Vision, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Amen. Well, it's a great honor to be here with you this evening as we come together for a cause that is bigger than any one of us, the well-being and future of our children. As the Enough Campaign brand ambassador, I've had the opportunity to speak about the importance of ensuring that children have what they need to grow, to learn, and to thrive. And tonight, I want to remind us something very, very simple. Every child deserves enough. Every child deserves enough nutritious food, enough care, enough support, enough opportunity to reach their God-given potential. Yet, for many children, malnutrition continues to stand in their way. That is why what we are doing through the Friends of World Vision Rwanda Golf Tournament matters today. This is about using our influence, our resources, our partnership to create real change in the lives of children. And change, remember, change happens when we choose to act. Tonight, I want to thank World Vision Rwanda, the government of Rwanda, our dear sponsors, partners, amazing golfers, supporters, and everyone who has contributed to make this initiative possible. Your support is helping turn a shared concern in action and giving vulnerable children a better chance at a healthier future. But I also want to challenge all of us. Let's not stop tonight. We can change lives. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being a part of this. My name is Mbonyi. May God bless you.
Sorry, another hand clap for our ambassador.